From the outside, the picture often looks flawless. Sunday attendance is consistent, callings are magnified, and the family portrait is perfectly curated. Behind closed doors, a very different reality plays out. Hidden battles with pornography addiction, crippling anxiety, and depression eat away at that picture. These struggles are fought in total silence, hidden out of shame and the fear of judgment. Relying on sheer willpower, white-knuckling through temptations, almost always leads to a relapse. Secular therapies that ignore the spiritual dimensions of these struggles often leave believers stuck in a frustrating cycle of temporary fixes. Fighting a psychological and spiritual war in total isolation guarantees prolonged suffering. A secret struggle like pornography addiction acts as a detonation, sending an invisible shockwave outward that strikes everyone in proximity. At the epicenter is the individual, often a husband or son, crushed under the weight of the behavior and locked in a cycle of shame. The damage travels outward, colliding directly with the spouse. A wife discovers the hidden behavior, and the resulting betrayal trauma causes deep psychological wounds, fracturing trust and emotional stability. The impact reaches the parents. Mothers watch as a child drifts into destructive behaviors, overwhelmed by feelings of inadequacy and desperation. When a single behavior shatters an entire family ecosystem, focusing treatment on just one person is inadequate. The entire network requires targeted triage. Addressing this systemic failure requires a specialized triage system. Life-Changing Services offers a framework built to stabilize every node in that network. Their approach relies on a dual-engine methodology. They combine the most accurate elements of modern clinical psychology with eternal Christ-centered principles. This integration moves away from passive talk therapy into active, tactical training. Clients learn to recognize psychological tactics and build real self-mastery skills. Lasting transformation requires both mechanics. You need the neurological rewiring of accurate science, powered by a clear understanding of your divine identity. To address the epicenter of the blast, Life-Changing Services operate specialized training groups, the Sons of Helaman program for young men and the Men of Moroni program for adult men. These groups do not teach participants to hide from triggers. Instead, they train them in what they call warrior chemistry, equipping them with the mental agility and spiritual discernment required to actively fight and defeat their specific temptations. Young women facing their own intense mental, emotional, or behavioral battles have an equivalent training ground in the Daughters of Light program. Across all these groups, the isolating silence of the struggle is replaced by accountability. The training is facilitated by licensed clinicians and supported by a brotherhood or sisterhood of peers fighting the same battles. Gaining control over deep-seated addiction requires a shift in identity. A victim of circumstance must be retrained as a connected warrior. Stabilizing the individual is the first step. For the wives caught in the blast radius, Life-Changing Services offers the Worth program. The wife is not the therapist. She is not the cause. She is navigating acute betrayal trauma. Worth provides a safe, gospel-centered sisterhood where women can process this trauma and establish healthy boundaries. The shockwave also hits the parents, which is why the Mothers Who Know program was established. When a child begins making terrifying, unexpected choices, a mother can easily feel she has failed. This program steps in to offer connection, advanced training, and hope, equipping mothers to support their children without micromanaging them. A family ecosystem recovers when the collateral damage receives the exact same precision, resources, and care as the epicenter. While the immediate focus is often behavior, the deeper purpose of this training is for individuals to discover their capacity as eternal warriors. Once the individuals are stabilized, they can enter the final phase of family restoration, the marriage repair workshops, which utilize a training methodology known as the Lazarus Lectures. Relationships that are entirely dead or hovering on life support can be resurrected. When both partners actively engage in their respective healing journeys, they breathe life back into the marriage. The devastation of a secret struggle does not condemn a family to a permanent wasteland. It can actually provide the groundwork for a resilient, functional partnership. You are not broken. You are not your own worst enemy, and you do not have to fight this war alone. Take the self-assessment on the Life-Changing Services website, schedule a free consultation, or enroll in a specialized program. Call or text 801-923-2849 or 877-437-6877 today. Complete hope, healing, and peace for your entire family are possible because it starts with a single step.